The Madhya Pradesh Power Transmission Company Limited is delighted to welcome you. It is headquartered at Jabalpur, also known as Sanskar Dhani. The city is famous for marble rocks and is located almost at the geographical centre of India. The MPPTCL came into operational existence on the 1st of July 2002 as a result of the unbundling of the Madhya Pradesh State Electricity Board into 6 wholly owned state government companies. Bestowed with the function of intrastate electricity transmission, the company has manifested remarkable success on all fronts in the 15.5 years of its existence. It has removed all suboptimalities which existed in the state's transmission system at the time of the company's formation in 2002. The company has also moved on a very fast growth trajectory and has deployed emerging technologies in its day-to-day operations. For the integrated operation of the power system, 5 regional grids have been formed in the country. The MP Power Transmission Company is a constituent of the Western Regional Power Grid. Keeping pace with the bulk power transmission requirements of the time, the company has adopted a fast growth trajectory which has enabled a 4-fold increase in the state's power transmission capacity from 3,890 megawatts in the year 2002-3 to around 15,000 megawatts now. The presentations here show the corresponding addition in transmission lines, EHV substations, and transformation capacity of the state transmission system. As a solution to the fast-growing problems of right-of-way, the company has been prompted to adopt new technologies like multi-circuit towers and monopoles. The company has laid multi-circuit lines on the monopole structure in a highly populated area of Indore city. This composite multi-circuit line on monopole accommodates 2 circuits of 132 kV and 2 circuits of 220 kV lines. This work is a first of its kind in the country. The state of Madhya Pradesh has been conferred with the National Krishi Karman Award for the last 5 years consecutively, in due acknowledgement of registering the highest annual growth rate in agricultural production. Considering that electricity is a vital input for such development, the MP Power Transmission Company provides an interconnecting transmission network from far-flung generating stations to the distribution load centers all over the state. It has its own proud share in the developmental efforts of the state government, which culminated into such high crop productivity. In keeping with the provisions of the Electricity Act 2003, MPPTCL has provided non-discriminatory short-term and long-term open access to its transmission network in order to provide a climate conducive to industrial growth in the state. The MPPTCL has provided its due share in reducing the carbon footprint by way of reducing its transmission losses from 7.93% in the year 2002-3 to 2.71% in the year 2016-17. It needs to be mentioned that a mere 1% reduction in transmission losses leads to financial savings of Rs 380 crores in the state. The ISO-certified State Load Dispatch Centre of Madhya Pradesh has been playing a vital role in effective grid operation and control in due observance of grid standards and grid code. This SLDC has been acknowledged as the first one in the country to implement intrastate availability-based tariff in full scale in November 2009. It is also the first one in the country to implement automatic demand management systems as per the CERC's regulation using multiple SCADA systems. A significant feature of the ADMS is the availability to command for both load shedding and restoration. The state-of-the-art SCADA EMS system provided in this SLDC ensures effective integrated operation of the power system, optimum scheduling and energy accounting. This SLDC conducts mock drill exercises of hydropower stations for ensuring availability of startup power to the generation stations in the event of blackouts. It has also undertaken the implementation of twin projects on unified real-time dynamic state measurement systems and master telecommunication systems. A renewable energy management center is also being established in this SLDC, which is one of the 8 centers being established by the Government of India in states rich in renewable energy. The MPP TCL has set up a state-of-the-art SCADA center. All EHV substations have been integrated with it for monitoring, operation and control of the state's transmission system. This system is a first of its kind in the country. The remote terminal units at the EHV substations communicate simultaneously with MPP TCL as well as SLDC SCADA and local display monitoring systems. MPP TCL also uses the state-of-the-art technology like insulated aerial work platforms and scaffolding system for working on charged lines. The company has also deployed emergency restoration systems, which have facilitated reduction in downtime as a result of tower collapse. Providing green energy is one of the key thrust areas of the Government of India. The MPP TCL provides a supportive role in this matter by way of providing a green energy corridor to wind, solar and other power plants based on green energy. The company has also been providing training to its employees with a view to enable them to cope with the emerging needs of the time. The company is also imparting training to students and research scholars of engineering and management institutions. In order to repay its debt to society, the company has focused its efforts on ensuring health and hygiene in the nearby area of its installations, extending a helping hand to mitigate natural calamities. Among other such activities, differently abled children have been provided financial assistance through NGOs. For the purchase of laser therapy machines for treatment of children suffering from cerebral palsy and mental disabilities, for acquiring suitable vocational training on the operation of commercial photocopy machines and computers for mentally challenged children, and for the preparation of digital talking books for course materials in DAISY format for blind children, and much more. It is a matter of pride for the MPP TCL to show numerous recognitions received by it from different quarters in the span of 15 years of its existence. Such recognitions have been conferred in due appreciation of its overall performance, the use of innovative techniques and emerging technologies, its fast growth trajectory. The company has devoted its might in the state's ambitious developmental program and leaves a rich legacy for posterity to feel proud of. And last but not the least, its contributions on various social fronts. The famous poet, lyricist and film director Gulzar Sahib says in a citation given to this company, "Shukriya aap muskuraye, hamare bachchon ke liye."